E piki ake ana te raukura ki te wākina te ara waka mua mō te Pāti Māori, kia pau anō te aroa.
And I think that's one of the biggest advantage points that we have going into this campaign. And that's why I said that it's a campaign of love, a campaign of aroha. The campaign strategy must be that we vote and we focus on the candidate votes. There's one plan, 2 votes.
E tūmaro I tarari ana te mema paremata mō Te Tai Hauāuru, kia matuaro tāna pāti, ki ngā rautaki e toi tū ana te Māori, ki rō paremata.
I think first of all is accepting to grow the party, is knowing that we're on a long-term track, that we are a forever movement, and that is why we had to sit and deliberate on this is the right strategy. In order to have our people support the strategy that we've come up with, I think it's really simple. I think it's just about reminding why we want this government out. We want a one-term government, we want more Māori in Parliament, and we need to retain an independent, unapologetic Māori voice. Ikaroa Rāwhiti, mai pōtiki rua ki te awakairangi. Ikaroa Rāwhiti, piki mai rawea, e ngā hau e whao te motu, no maira. It hasn't been easy, but I'm willing to take on any challenge that threatens the well-being of our mokopuna.
Nā Hayley Maxwell o ngā iwi o Te Tai Rāwhiti, me ana peka o te pāti, te wakarewanga o te rautaki wai pōti, I mana ki tōna marae, I te po o rāwiri, I tūranga nui ākiwa, I ngā rangi oki oki.
They thought I was going to be a singing artist. Are you going to be singing for us? They saw my billboards and thought that I was going to be a singing artist for them that day, entertaining. And I had to explain to our whānau what my role is and why I was there. And I directed them straight to the Electoral Commission office to enrol onto the Māori roll.
I have seen firsthand for the last 3 years in the absolute attack on Māori through the public services, through education, through te tiriti. And that is why I'm standing for Te Pāti Māori.
Ko Lisa Marie Murch o ngai tau te kaitono mō Te Pāti Māori ki Te Tai Tonga. Kua o a ia ki ngā mai o tēnei kāwanatanga ki a ngai tātou.
We're not here to manage the same systems that have failed our people. We are here to change them through education, secure homes, healthy whānau, protection of our whenua and wai, and an economy where our people can actually get ahead.
The only way we're going to get this government out, we're going to get more Māori into Parliament, we're going to be able to have them continue that strong, loud, independent, unapologetic Māori voice is to give your vote to your Māori party candidate. Te Pāti Māori candidate, Te Pāti Māori candidate.
Ko te manako nui ka pakipaki te unga tautoko I te Pāti Māori I te pō o te rātua witu o Noema. Te wāka mō I o ai tātou mena kua wai ua te rautaki nei. Kaore rānei. Aroha Broughton-Pue, Tai Uru News.